After securing a grand victory, the partners of the Mahayuti Alliance are going to have meetings to decide on the further course. The winning MLAs are likely to reach to their respective leaders in Mumbai on Sunday and express their confidence and support. The Bharatiya Janata Party-led Mahayuti Alliance registered a landslide victory in assembly polls in West India's Maharashtra. The ruling alliance secured a comfortable majority in state's 288-seat assembly. Victory marked BJP's best ever performance in the state. And the Inti Alliance, spearheaded by the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, emerged victorious in East India's Jharkhand Assembly election. The JMM and its allies comfortably secured majority mark. JMM leader and Chief Minister of Jharkhand, Hemant Soren, thanked the people for voting for his party and its alliance. Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated the JMM-led alliance for their performance in the recently held assembly polls. And for more, we have Shama Mishra joining us from Mumbai on this. Well, Shama, after a grand victory and a crushing comeback, the partners of the Mahayuti Alliance are going to have meetings to decide on further course. As we know, what all can be expected?
Well, Lipakshi, you've already mentioned that it was a grand victory yesterday, landslide victory for BJP and the Mahayuti. Now, the discussion will be totally based on who will be the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra. And as far as the reports are going, or as far as we are understanding, that the same pattern which is currently where there is one Chief Minister and two Deputy Chief Ministers will continue. But as far as the numbers are speaking, it is speaking on BJP's side, and it is clear that the Chief Minister would be of BJP and the other two parties can have their Deputy Chief Ministers. Also, the BJP will be, keeping in consideration that the allies will get some important portfolios, so that so that the spirit in the Grand Alliance continues. As far as we are speaking about the meetings that are going on in Mumbai today, all these bungalows of the major leaders, be it Devendra Fadnavis at Sagar Bungalow, or Ajit Pawar at Devgiri, and also about Eknath Shinde, the party workers, or even the people, even the MLAs who have secured their victory, they are coming at these places, and they are expressing their gratitude, they are expressing their support to the leaders. And also we are understanding that further course of action can be decided over here. The main meeting, or the major meeting that is to take place, is between the three alliance partners, and that will be to decide who will be the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. We are also seeing that the posters in these areas, including the Mumbai's town side, people or the karyakartas, the workers of particular parties, they've started putting up posters, and this can be a little tricky because right now we are seeing the NCP side, which is of Ajit Pawar, where his party workers have put up a poster saying Bhavi Mukhyamantri. That means future Chief Minister. So that can be a little tricky over here as far as all these alliance partners go,
right?
Because nothing has been declared till now, nothing has been announced till now, and each party, this is obviously an emotion that each party will have, each karyakarta will have for their leader, that their leader should become the Chief Minister.
Right.
But definitely it is going to be the party which has secured the maximum number, and we are hoping that this particular mystery is unveiled soon.
Right, Shama. Also, if you can give us a rough analysis of what worked for Mahayuti and what worked against the Mahavikas Aghadi Alliance.
We have spoken a lot about this yesterday, so we are going to talk about it again. This is definitely one of the biggest achievements of Mahayuti is the recent schemes that they launched, including the Ladki Behan Yojana, wherein the women voters came out in large numbers and they voted for the Grand Alliance or the Mahayuti. Apart from that, stipend for the youth, that is the Ladka Bhau, that has also worked. For farmers, it was various welfare schemes that worked for them. They voted for the Mahayuti. They voted in favor of Mahayuti. Apart from that, we've seen recent developments that Mumbai and urban areas in Maharashtra have witnessed. That could also be a reason. That is also a major game changer in the minds of urban voters, because they want development and they want infrastructure development. Let's talk about how coastal road or metro line services or the MTHL has changed the lives of Mumbaikars and Navi Mumbaikars, and brought about a beautiful change in terms of saving time, in terms of saving money. Time is something Mumbaikars cherish, and instead of getting stuck in traffic, now they're traveling from the coastal road and the MTHL, and that is what has worked in the favor of Mahayuti, because
Right.
they have promised and they have delivered that more and more number of
Absolutely.
infrastructure projects are being given, and they will be they will keep coming for Mumbaikars, and this is how the Mahayuti is delivering.
All right, Shyama, thank you so much for giving us all that analysis and the details.